Welcome back to day 18 of our advent calendar RC rock crawler build. So this is where we've got to so far with our little car, and we're on to day 18. Just down here, it was next to day 17, and I can already guarantee what this one is. So it's a little box the same size as the last one, so it's probably going to be the little bit of Lexan that goes on the top there. Anyway, let's get into it and have a look. And straight away I can see I was correct. Bit of Lexan, some screws. You might be able to see it there. At least it's a nice curved edge on the Lexan, so it fits the plastic roll cage properly. And that's just going to fit on top there. Nice and simple. I'll get the screws in and I'll be back. And there we are. That's the top bit of Lexan on. Starting to look really good. Now, the next few days, if I'll be honest, I'm going to film them, but you might as well skip, because yesterday was this, today was this. I can almost guarantee the next 2 days, you're going to have one side panel there and one side panel there. How do I know that? Well, how else are they going to stretch what is almost a finished car over another few days? So yeah, it's going to be more Lexan panels. I can almost guarantee that. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Trying to make it as exciting as I can. I'm starting to look forward to the drive of this. Well, I am and I'm not, because there's a lot of slop, it's a lot of plasticky crap, but I'll give it death and see how it handles it. And if it survives, I'll give it away. I'll give it away for free to someone, to a kid local who hasn't got something like this and can have some fun with it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. We have got 17 odd days previous. What day are we on? 19, 18, something like that. We've got however many days previous of the build, and we've got another few days to come. They will all be in a playlist, so you can watch them step by step. But yeah, thank you for watching. I've already said that. If you want to drop a comment down below, please do. I do read all comments and I do try to respond to every single one of them. If you like what we do here at Amped RC, give us a subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified of all our video releases. At the moment, just due to life, I'm trying to get a video out every 3 to 4 weeks. But yeah, stay amped. Merry Christmas.